folks, exterior cleaning season is now upon us, and I figured I'd take some video of a job I'm just about to start, and as you can see there, quite a big difference. So the power washing has been complete, and what we've done now is we put down a special chemical. What that's doing now is it's eating away, killing all the organic growth on the surface. That's a huge improvement how it looked before we started. Once it's dried, it's going to look really nice. Customers are going to be really pleased. And check out our Google reviews, they're all genuine. Okay, and with all our work, it doesn't matter if it's exterior work or carpet cleaning or upholstery cleaning, we will always give you a price before we start the job, and that is the price you pay. So thanks very much for watching.